Welcome to this week's check-in. So APA paper and presentation due September 4th. So this is, of course, week 12. You're going to see the due date here, and a reminder, due September 4th by end of day. This is where you're going to upload your paper. So you'll click this link, and you'll upload your paper and your video at the same time. So both files need to be uploaded into the same submission. So make sure that's ready to go. You've prepared for this. You've really worked on your formatting. A lot of you have emailed me. If you have formatting questions, you could still email me up until about probably Friday or Saturday. But anytime you want to reach out, I'm happy to help you. It looks like you're really on top of getting this ready to go for this next week. There's no homework due. The only thing that's due is your paper and presentation. Really take your time and make sure it's a good one because it's a really, really high percentage of your grade. And I honestly am looking forward to reading them. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. People are doing great so far. We had some great grades in the class, and let's continue that trend as we end the course. Thanks so much. Hope you have a good rest of the week.